The YCC program is so broad that there's something for everyone.
Everyone's starting from different places. Some of us are runners. Some of us have never been hiking. No matter your skill level, you're going to be welcomed.
It's really one of the best jobs around here.
A few weeks ago, we finished a really long section of boardwalk.
It was really an exciting time when we finished that because it was 3 years in the making.
A lot of teamwork and cooperation. It was a good day.
By building these rock walls, we're protecting the trail from those falling rocks, from that erosion.
And the rock walls last for decades, potentially. It's really fulfilling to have tangible work that you can see and have something to look back on that they're like, I did that. They learn about the multifaceted job pool of the park.
It allowed for us to get a lot of opportunity to talk with an actual field researcher who explained why we're doing this, how we're actually contributing to the scientific research that's being done.
We need to make sure that we're listening to each other's concerns, we're looking out for each other.
Even if it seems overlooked, making sure that the park is well maintained.
So generations to come can visit this park and share the same wonder and excitement that each of us do.
I try to cultivate a very fun environment because life doesn't have to be serious all of the time.
Recreation-wise, I would probably say whitewater rafting. That whole day was very, very fun.
Sleeping under the stars and putting up bear boxes with my friends.
We did a dragonfly larva collection day, and that was really fun.
All the staff, all the rangers that I met, just talking to them, they had this really incredible sense of stewardship and love for what they do and love for the land.
I started out with one of my friends and we didn't really talk to anybody else, but as the summer progressed, we were able to get closer with every person, everybody started talking more, and at the end it was like a miniature family.
I see the youth growing exponentially in ways that they didn't even think that they were capable of.
We live here in the town where this fort stands. My opinion has changed in the way that I care more about it.
In general, I've grown a lot just from being a YCC and then being a park ranger this year. And also being a YCC just gets your foot in the door.
It doesn't really matter your background. The skills that you gain from the Youth Conservation Corps translate in any job.
This is what I want to do with the rest of my life. It's so rewarding and so amazing and incredible.
Work, learn, play, and grow. Join the YCC.